Hey guys, Steve Maxwell again with Funtown RV. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Sabre 36BHQ. Let's go take a look. Up front, this Sabre is going to offer your standard LCI pin box. That's going to make it really easy to find a hitch that's going to work for your truck. You do have some nice docking lights up here. This Sabre is going to offer your LCI electric auto level. This is going to have a really nice feature on it called hitch height. That's going to allow you to bring it back right to the same height it was at whenever you disconnected from your truck. Underneath the hitch, the Sabre is going to have storage for your battery and spare tire. It does have a little bit of extra space up there for any other things you're going to need. We do have two propane tanks, one on each side, that have their own controls. Moving back down the camper, we do have a very large pass-through storage that is going to have laminate flooring in here that does resemble the flooring inside. Underneath here, you do have lights, connections for satellite and cable, as well as 110 plugs. Right behind the pass-through storage, you are going to have an outdoor kitchen that does offer your Evergrill fridge with a plumbed-in sink. Underneath your outdoor kitchen, you are going to have a liquid propane quick connect that will allow you to pull propane off of your propane tanks, so you can bring a little grill or propane heater out here if that's needed. And as always, the Sabre is going to offer your 12-volt awning that is extended above us, as well as the step above 4-step folding steps. Sabre is also going to offer your 2 driven waterproof speakers that are going to give you plenty of sound for playing music out for the family. And on the back of the Sabre, we are going to have our wireless camera already installed. You're not going to have to worry about adding that on aftermarket. And now the new cameras do connect to your phone going down the road. And down low, we do have a hitch down here. It is designed for bike racks, any other carrying accessories you're gonna need. On the off-door side of this Sabre, we are going to have a electric and propane 10-gallon hot water heater. Gonna give you plenty of hot water for those showers for the whole family. Back here, you do have your water closet that has all your controls for water, inlet for your city water connection, and an outdoor shower. And behind that, you do have the other side of your pass-through storage. Now that we've seen the outside of the Sabre, let's take a step inside. Right inside the entry door of the Sabre, you are gonna have a coat closet that's gonna be really nice for any wet coats, any dirty boots you need to drop off. This Sabre is going to have a full control panel for your tanks, your lights, and your water heaters. Below that, you're gonna have the LCI One control that allows you to control all the other aspects of this camper, including slides, anything else you're going to be working on. Below that, you do have the readout for the solar panels on this camper. It's not pre-wired, they are installed. They're already on the camper, nothing else you got to do. Those solar panels are already feeding power to your batteries. To the right of that, you are going to have the thermostat for your living room AC. Moving back, we will have another thermostat for the bedroom. And moving on to the dining area of this camper, you are going to have a freestanding table. That's been a new feature for the past couple years in most fifth wheels. It gives you a little bit more utilization of the dining area. Moving behind that, you are going to have 2 premium recliners that do offer massage and heat. To the right of that, you are going to have a pull-out couch that is the same premium leather and does pull out into a full queen bed. Opposite from your recliners, you are going to have this very nice entertainment system. RCA TV with your driven radio directly underneath. You do still have your nice storage area above the TV, as well as your electric fireplace that does give off heat and light. Moving on to the kitchen, you are going to have a nice large pantry in here, give you plenty of storage for all your food and dry goods. Your standard microwave, 3-burner stove, and propane oven, again with plenty of storage aside them. Sabre's kitchen does offer a large island that does have your deep basin stainless steel sink. And right behind me, we do have the residential Everchill fridge, gonna give you plenty of storage for food for the whole family. And let's not forget, this Sabre is a bunkhouse, so let's go take a look at the bunkhouse and see what it has to offer. And the mid bunk on the Sabre is going to offer a full pull-out couch, give you an extra sleeping area that's enclosed from everyone else. This area does have the TV backer pre-installed. You can mount TVs in here, as well as all your clothing storage. And for some extra sleeping area, directly above my head, we do have the Sabre's Loft. Let's go take a look. The loft in this Sabre is going to offer your fold out ladder for the kids, is going to have 2 teddy bear bunks up here with USB and 110 power. And directly behind the loft, we are going to have the master bathroom. Let's go take a look. The master bathroom in this Sabre is going to offer a clear glass sliding door shower that's going to give you plenty of room with its own seating area, as well as plenty vanity space and towel storage. And now that we're done with the bathroom, let's go take a look at the bedroom. The Sabre's master bedroom is going to offer a large RV King mattress, going to give you plenty of sleeping space, as well as its own thermostated AC to control the air in the master bedroom. Both sides of the bed are going to have 110 power as well as USB power. The large closet in the Sabre is also going to offer washer dryer prep for those longer stays. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, my name is Stephen Maxwell with Funtown RV. This has been the Sabre 36BHQ. If y'all have any other RVs y'all want to see, please comment below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget the fun starts here.